Okay, hello YouTubers. This is probably overdone already, but then there's still new Dare owners coming out, and who knows, I might get lucky and inspire some. Today's video of the LG Dare is going to show you how to get free ringtones. How did Verizon screw up so bad? Well, I don't know. Let me explain. You see, Verizon tried to make many of their phones where you can add ringtones. The first phone that I've come across to actually make its own ringtone without having to text yourself it would be the pink Motorola Razr, and that's the one my niece had. Now a lot of phones you have to text yourself with. You can't just add it as a ringtone. So you can do it two ways. You can download it like a WAV file, something like that, and what you can do then is when you get it as a text message, send it to your phone as a text message. It would be bzpix.com. That's the email address, but you would have to put before the @ symbol your 10-digit phone number. Let me see. Then when you get it as a text and you open it, it should play, and you'll be able to click the little side over here and say, okay, I want to save it as a ringtone, and you should do that. Size matters, so be careful, don't send anything too big. Nowadays you can just make things small, or you can just go around recording sounds that you hear. I'm going to show you that method, and I'll show you how to do it. Here's a sound I did myself. Okay, so now let's say you did that. You know, this is just fun. I actually don't really do that. I'm not an egomaniac myself. You have to go to picture messaging, and what you would do is you would find the contact. Excuse me while I hold it away. Now I'm gonna let you know this does cost. It's 25 cents per picture message to send and receive them. So it's like 50 cents a ringtone if you don't have a $10 a month plan. And the reason why I say $10 a month plan is because, okay, hold on, let me get out of here. Okay, so now after you enter your phone number, you'll go down to sound, and then you would pick the sound you want. Mine is the test ringtone. That sounds like the the simplex fire alarm message. I tried. Leave me alone. Send. And now it'll send, and you'll get a beep, beep, beep. When it beeps, I'm going to turn it away because I don't want you to see numbers here, you know. Okay, so now you wait for it to come back. It should come back, and it shouldn't come back very quick. Well, you see side of it. Okay, you see it's connecting, and it's downloading it. Yep, I ding donged. Now, you go to view.
Attention. An emergency has been reported on your phone. Please pick up your phone and answer it immediately. Do not use Bluetooth.
Okay, so now once that's done, you click here. And now you see here, now I can show you this. You'll see you have many options, but the option you want to look for is save as ringtone. And it'll let you name the ringtone as thus. and it'll ask, do you want to set the ringtone? I'm going to say no, because I'm going to get out of here real quick and show you.
Attention.
Yes, and it'll play again. So now that we did that, we can go to, tones, my ringtones, and here they are. Usually the new ones will appear at the bottom. As you see, they're all separated by yellows. I've been doing a lot of ringtones, Damn. Didn't want to do anything. Okay.
Attention.
And there it is.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported on your phone. Please pick up your phone and...
Okay. I also got a couple of new ringtones. Well, just one. Yes, I'm continuing the fire bell trend. And that's it. I got a couple of... Did I show you? No. My last video I didn't. Okay, so here's the car alarm I got. Let's see what else. No, wrong. Thank you. God. Then you got the Max OS. Sorry about that. This is so very hard. I'm used to like just doing it while it's in front of me. And then William Tell. I wasn't sure if I've shown all these yet. And then I think this one's the Faraday. Yeah, okay. So those are my new ringtones, and that's how you do it. It's simple, it's fun, it's easy, and that's it. I mean, I'm sorry if I wasn't too good at showing you this, but I'd rather not have my info displayed on the Hello phone. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, easy to do, not hard. Like I said, you can just download a song or a ringtone or anything, basically anything. It doesn't have to be classified as a ringtone, and then you can either convert it into a WAV format and use the sound recorder for Windows XP, or I think Vista has one too, and edit it that way, or use some fancy schmancy one and just edit it as to your wish, and then just send it to yourself. The LG-Dare.com forum, they tell you to use a program called PIM or something. Apparently, I wouldn't use that because it will nullify your terms of service with Verizon. I mean, really, just spend the 50 cents to send the one ringtone. How many ringtones can you use, first of all? I mean, you know, if you have a lot of friends and you want to give each of them a distinctive ringtone, you know, alright, that's fine. But, you know, if you're just using one ringtone for all calls, you don't need to nullify your terms of service just for that. It's stupid. I mean, even if you had to spend $5 extra for 250 free text messages, do it. Holy Jesus. I discovered on my mobile web today, because I'm not too happy with the Dare's browser for now. It was free for me anyway. So I just went with the text messaging, because I do a lot of that with my friends and family. And, you know, I do a lot more text-based things anyway. So anyway, that's it. That's how you do it. It's easy. Do it. Post your videos on what ringtones you have and what you've done it with. And I'm out.